The first mistake or ignorance comes to a person when he considers impermanent as permanent. Does anybody in the world really accepts or understands that this world is not a permanent place to live? Tell me. Just to think what we also thought. We thought this world is real. The world is permanent. The world is our home. Do we ever think that this is not a permanent place? Do we ever think that this body is also impermanent? This body is to go. Can you ever think this body one day might become food of other animals? The body which you decorate so nicely, can you ever think that this body is also temporary? Can you ever think our relationship in the world, it is also impermanent? Whether we love our family members so dearly, so close, but this relationship is also impermanent. This is the play of ignorance. It covers up truth in such a beautiful way, we are not able to perceive truth. We accept unreal as real, impermanent as permanent. Impermanent as permanent. There is a story. The story is, there was a kingdom. In the kingdom, they had a typical rule. What is the rule? Nobody can be a permanent king. Every 5 years, they will choose a king. And there is a special way of choosing the king. And when one becomes a king, after 5 years, he has to lose the kingdom and he will be sent on exile to a solitary island. Nobody is there. That is a specific island. So the elephant will go, this is the process, carrying a pitcher, golden pitcher with water, on whichever head the elephant will pour water, he will be the king or she will be the queen. Now when you become king, you just think what happens. When one becomes king, he forgets everything. He forgets, I am the king. Okay? So it is not the kingship for whole life, it is only for 5 years. At the end of 5 years, when you are to be dethroned, so painful, people go crying. And sent it to that solitary island, people really, out of shock, they die there. One young man was made the king. He really ruled the kingdom joyfully, full of joy. And when 5 years over, he's dethroned now, he also left the kingdom joyfully. People became curious. Here is one person who is not crying that I lost my kingdom. Okay? I lost my kingdom, he is not crying. They wanted to know the secret, how he is happy even when he is living. They asked, he said, look, from the very first day I knew it is not permanent. And what I did, because I am a king, everybody obeys my command, I inquired to which island all the previous kings have been sent and what is their condition. I inquired and found they all are no more, although many kings have gone in the past, every 5 year one. Then when I knew that this is the place where I have to go, what I did, I have developed the place. So now I am going, I'll stay there peacefully, no problem. This is a story, but this story speaks of human life. We consider this earth as permanent and we try to make everything beautiful here. House is beautiful, friendship is beautiful, whatever. We wanted to try to make everything nice here, which is not permanent. We forgot that we have to live today or tomorrow.